this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler. We got black and silver accents on this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start, which is perfect for those colder winter months, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use up there to open on your key fob or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your seats like that. For extra storage, you got a hook, 12 volt, and you do get more storage underneath with your spare tire, which is pretty handy. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior. We have rear vents, 2 USB-Cs. You can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with your liftgate lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 60,641 kilometers. We got this heated leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have My View, Trip and Feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage with outlets, gear select, parking brake, auto hold, with your drive modes, auto stop and start, cup holders. Got your center console with tons of storage, with dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hazards, and your media controls, storage below. And looking here, we have our audio, compass, and phone. Looking at our audio here, we do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls right here. Any apps you may download show up right here, the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8125, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.